In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block websites on Google Chrome. If you just follow the steps in this video, you should be able to do this yourself. Let's get started right away. So you want to open a browser and then you want to search for the Chrome Web Store. So search for Chrome Web Store, then click on that link and visit the store. Then this is the Chrome Web Store where you can download a ton of free extensions that you can then use for basically anything, okay? Now, if you just scroll down right there, you'll see block website, which is the extension that you will need. If it's not there, you can simply click on search the store and then search for block website, and you will then also be able to find it. You want to click on that extension and click on add to Chrome at the top right, and then click on extension. And right now it's just checking. And there you go. So once you've got this installed, you want to click on agree, and it's then going to send you over to their extension basically, and they're going to show you how this works. So right there you can enter a website that you can then block. So let's just say I want to block facebook.com. You type in facebook.com, you click on the plus icon and site edit. That's exactly how to block a website. You can block sites permanently or by schedule. So if you click on schedule right there, you can block it from, let's say, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on every single day of the week. Okay, now that's pretty much how to block a website on Google Chrome. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.